Hello family, we are in Ivory Coast, and in this video we are going to taste two different types of attieke sold in this country. Some are sold by women, which is known to be the premium and the best, while attieke sold by men called Garba is known to be cheap and easy to get on the street. They both taste great, but one is better than the other. So let's get into the video. Hope you love it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's get it started.
Welcome to Chez Aba. Mommy, she's selling attieke for a very long time, and she's doing one of the best attieke and fish of all Abidjan.
So yes. Today we are actually going to have a taste of attieke, and this is attieke made by women.
Yes.
Because there are two types of attieke sold in Ivory Coast. We have the attieke sold by men, and then we have the attieke sold by women. Today we are going to try, attieke sold by women, okay? So that she also teach us the difference between these two.
Yes.
Okay, so this is Chez Aba. That means we are at Aba's place. We are going. She said it's been a long time that she started doing this. So let's go. Can Oh, the flat fish. That's what they use. Okay.
Sold. This is sold, and also
this one.
Okay.
They actually sell it. You choose the type of fish you want, then you buy your attieke, and if you want some ripe plantain too, you add it. So when the fish comes, it comes in hot, very hot, very hot. Then they have the pepper. So guys, we just got our attieke. We are going upstairs to have a taste of it. So let's go. So guys, our fish is here with our pepper sauces, and then the aloko and the attieke. So these two, this one is 4,000 CFA, which is $7. Okay, so these two are $8, and then the attieke is 250 CFA, and then the aloko is how much? 1,000. Hey, good. Plantain right now. 4,000. Okay, so 1,000. So the fish, which we are going to add together, and then how much was all? Almost 9,500 CFA. So 9,500 CFA is $17. That's understandable for 3 people, for 4 people. So yeah, we are going to have a taste of our food. So we wash our hands here because we have to eat with our hands.
It's way of eating attieke, but me personally, I take the attieke first. Do this. And I take the paper.
Piece.
Mm-hmm. Normally, I take the fish like this to eat, but my hand is full, so I eat first.
Oh, okay. So she
And I
said
will
each.
take
So this atike is from which place?
Ajuku,
Ajuku.
Ajuku tribe.
So this one is the one we went to see there earlier.
This lady, she's Ajuku.
Ajuku.
Sorry, Ajuku is my tribe. I'm
Okay.
Ajuku, and the Ajuku before Ivorian people say they make the best atike.
Okay.
The best, like premium atike, is made by Ajuku
Ajuku.
people.
Still, is it the best?
Yes.
So what's the difference between this one and then the one that we went to see that
Honestly, I would say the grains. It's not the same. Look at this one. It's smaller.
is smaller?
It's smaller. Also, the taste.
The other one is a little bit fermented.
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
But
They
this
are
one is
okay. They don't have too much like fermented, because when they make the atike, they have fermented cassava
Oh.
before like blind put in a blender.
Okay.
But this one they don't have too much.
They don't. The
Yes.
other one you can taste
Yes,
it in
exactly.
your jaw that it's fermented. But this one is very light.
Yes.
They actually-
Sometimes the children they eat like simple, like
Okay, so
without
you have seen
anything.
two types of atike. The one that is too much more fermented and the one that isn't really fermented. So this is the Ajuku
Ajuku.
atike, and the other one is called what?
Ebriye.
Ebriye atike. Good. So she says you take the atike, you take small of this.
My way.
Yes.
Because
Then I'll also show
Ivorian
you-
people in your comments, they say no, it's not this
I'll
way.
also show you how I eat mine.
Okay.
Because I was also born here.
Okay.
So I'm also trying her way.
Okay. Also do the like the reverse. This.
The fish is nice.
Yes.
So my way is I'll take some, put some here, put this here,
And you mix.
mix. Take a loco
Oh.
and take
Fish.
mix, and then I'll take it.
Okay. This is Tatiana way.
Tatiana way.
Okay. How is it?
Tastes good. This is
Being-
Tatiana Ivorian way.
Yes. With the sweetness of the plantain. A good mix.
So this one, don't they put the Maggi?
No. Generally salt. But in the Garba, they made by men, they are chicken made by men, you always had Maggi. Yes.
Why?
It's the way they
do it.
Yes, they do
Okay,
it.
so it's not every Ivorian that uses
Yes.
Maggi on their atike. Okay. It is really good though. It is really good. Now
Yes, me too. No, there's a lot of ladies selling their chicken, but I
You like this
yes, yes. As you can see, people like
a lot of them are here. Let's say Garba you won't eat too much at the Garba. You won't buy too much.
just 1 meal to do the video.
Yeah. You're walking on Twitter. My videographer, this is my videographer. And then my friend, Rachel. Her first time in IBT. How is
My
it?
first time tasting atike. Very nice. I said, "Me here be correct job." Come to me.
But I really appreciate the Garba.
I'm almost through.
When you do your tours, do you or you can buy and give to somebody else or take away?
But this one I'll eat all.
Yeah, this one is good.
I normally don't eat all. Yeah, then they say.
I said, "My phone cry." Yeah. Oh. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's
You know how she's selling this acheke, the round like this is from the Ajuku people.
Oh, okay.
And long.
Okay, so we are coming to this place, Garba Draw.
Yes, the
Okay.
Garba drum. Garba drum is the place where they sell the Garba.
Okay.
Here in Africa, when they had drum at the end of the name of a food, that means the place where they sell these foods. So
Okay.
Garba drum is the place where they sell
This
Garba.
food.
Yes.
Garba. So what's the meaning of Garba?
Garba is a honestly, there's a lot of Ivorian street food coming, made by Niger.
Niger.
Men like pain, chien, Garba. So it's a Niger name.
Okay.
Yes, but it's mostly made by
Men.
men, but Niger men, not Ivorian.
Oh, okay.
Not Ivorian.
So do you have Ivorian men selling acheke?
Yes, Ivorian they try to appropriate the acheke because acheke is an Ivorian food. They trying, but everybody knows like the popular opinion is general Garba is sold by men Niger from
Okay,
Niger.
okay.
Ala Hausa, yes, not Ivorian.
Okay.
If it's Ivorian, they will say Garba Shoko, but you
Garba
won't see
Shoko.
like a lot of people like that there.
Oh, I understand. So actually, we are here at where we sell acheke, but sold by men. We are actually trying to show you people how acheke is being sold here in Ivory Coast. We have acheke sold by women, acheke sold by men, and most of the time when they are men, they are from the Niger, the Hausa people. Okay, that's why it's called Garba. So we are here, and how is it cooked? How do they serve it? How do they sell it?
They generally serve it in the plastic plates, and is acheke, tuna fish only, not another no any other fish, only tuna.
Okay.
They are salted tuna fish. Fresh vegetables, pepper, onion, tomato.
So they don't add any sauce.
No.
Oh.
Freshly cut.
And people love it.
Yes,
That's
yes.
interesting.
And don't forget the Maggi.
The Maggi.
And sometimes mayonnaise.
Okay.
Mayonnaise and oil.
And oil. The one they use to fry the
Yes, the fish. Yes.
So yeah, we are actually going to buy some. So So this is our acheke garba. Okay, we have the acheke, we have the tuna fish, pepper, onion, and tomatoes, and then the Maggi. So this is and some mayonnaise. This is actually a signature of the garba acheke.
Yes.
You won't get any other garba like this. And then the acheke too is very is very chechereche.
And even the color.
It's so
You can even see the grains.
yes, you can't even see the grains. You can't even see the grains. Look, you can't see it. It's too.
Chechereche.
It's too together.
Yeah.
The grains are together. So that's the difference between the Garba and the
Yes.
normal Ivorian Attieke that we ate earlier.
Yeah,
Okay.
premium.
The premium Attieke.
Premium Attieke.
This is Attieke from the Niger people.
Yes.
Yeah. But people actually love it, and there are
Yes.
lots of people coming
Yes.
here to buy it.
They generally eat this attieke all day.
All day.
All day.
In the morning,
exactly.
afternoon.
Yeah, exactly. And generally people working, the workers, before going to the job, they eat, and you don't need to eat lunch or dinner.
Drink it, right? You do like this, eh?
After.
And then I'll pick some. Come.
Oh, me. Okay. It's hard.
It's hard.
Yes. It's nice.
It's nice. It's nice. The attieke has no taste, but it's nice. It has like zero taste, but it's nice. I've never had attieke with mayonnaise.
Fish.
And pepper.
It's nice now.
So do. They do. This one is fast.
Do you want to try?
How is it? It's nice. The attieke is not like the one we tasted earlier, but this one looks like a fast food that you need to eat and then move on. But it's actually nice because if you are somebody who likes more of the vegetables,
Exactly. And you don't want to buy fish 4,000.
4,000.
Yes.
The fish, that one costs 4,000, and this one is how much? 500. So it's actually good. So it's actually good. It's good. So yeah, these are the differences between our attieke sold by men and attieke sold by women. So today we bring to you different types of selling attieke. See you in our next video. Until next time, ciao ciao.